how to use our retinol anti-aging serum for youthful skin. Are you ready to unlock youthful radiance and embrace age-defying skincare? Our retinol anti-aging serum is here to help you on your journey to beautiful, glowing skin. To ensure you get the most out of this powerful product, we've put together a comprehensive guide on how to use it effectively. Follow these steps for a clear and practical skincare routine.
Step 1. Start with clean skin. Begin your skincare routine with a clean canvas. Use a gentle cleanser to remove makeup dirt and impurities from your face. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Step 2. Apply a toner, optional. If you use a toner as part of your routine, apply it after cleansing and before the serum. Toners can help balance your skin's pH and prepare it for better product absorption. Step 3. Apply our retinol serum. Take a small amount of our retinol serum onto your fingertips. Gently dab it onto your face, focusing on areas with fine lines, wrinkles, or uneven texture. Avoid the eye area, as retinol can be too potent for the delicate skin around the eyes. Step 4. Massage and allow absorption. Using upward and outward motions, gently massage the serum into your skin. This helps with absorption and promotes circulation. Allow the serum to fully absorb into your skin before moving on to the next step. This usually takes about 5–10 minutes. Step 5. Follow with moisturizer. After the serum is absorbed, apply your favorite moisturizer to lock in the benefits and keep your skin hydrated. Make sure to choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Step 6. Apply sunscreen during the day. If you're using the retinol serum during the day, always follow it up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so sun protection is essential. Step 7. Gradual introduction. If you're new to retinol, start by using the serum 2–3 times a week and gradually increase the frequency as your skin adjusts. Some initial dryness or peeling may occur, but this is normal as your skin adapts to the product.
FAQ: Using our retinol anti-aging serum. Question 1. Can I use the retinol serum every day? Answer 1. If you're new to retinol, we recommend starting with 2–3 times a week and gradually increasing usage as your skin becomes accustomed to it. Once your skin adjusts, you can use it daily, but it's essential to listen to your skin and adjust the frequency based on your individual needs. Question 2. Can I use the retinol serum with other skincare products? Answer 2. Yes, you can incorporate the retinol serum into your existing skincare routine. It's essential to apply it after cleansing and before moisturizing. If you use other active ingredients, like vitamin 100, consider using them on alternate days to avoid potential skin irritation. Question 3. Should I apply the retinol serum in the morning or evening? Answer 3. We recommend use the retinol serum in the evening. However, if you apply it during the day, always follow up with sunscreen to protect your skin from UV damage. Question 4. Can I use the retinol serum around my eyes? Answer 4. It's best to avoid applying the retinol serum directly to the eye area, as this skin is very delicate. Instead, use a specialized eye cream or serum for that area. Question 5. How long does it take to see results? Answer 5. Results may vary from person to person, but you can generally expect to see improvements in your skin's texture and appearance within a few weeks to a few months of regular use. Patience is key when using retinol for anti-aging. Remember, consistency is key when using our retinol anti-aging serum. Incorporate it into your skincare routine, and over time, you'll reap the benefits of smoother, more youthful-looking skin. If you have any specific concerns or questions about your skincare journey, don't hesitate to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional.